This video will show you how to replace the front lower engine splash shield on a Mazda 3. This will be located under the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the front lower engine splash shield, you're going to find that you have several pieces of hardware to remove. We're going to start with a 10mm. There's two 10mm bolts on the driver's side and two on the passenger side. We'll skip the two center. Now we do have some push clips. There's one in the center here, but we're going to pause on push clips. Let's continue on with our mounting bolts. As we move towards the front, we're switching to an 8mm for all of our mounting bolts, making their way across. Start on one side, make our way over. We have a push clip. We're leaving those in place. Now we can continue on with our three push clips, going with the forward one first, and we'll end with the center. For each of my push clips, you want to carefully start removing the center to unlock it, and then you can remove the outer portion as well. I'm just using a trim tool for this. Now once you have all the hardware out of there, we should be able to take hold of this, we'll give it a wiggle, and pull it down and out of place. There it is, friend. Now a quick inspection of all mounting areas, and let's continue on with the installation of our front lower splash shield. To get this in place, we're starting along the back side. Looking along the rear of the splash shield, you can see that we have these circular ports carved out. Those slide up and over this area of the rearward splash shield. You should be able to line it up and slide it right into position fairly simply here. Now we just want to pay attention along this area as well. Those should be seated properly. Now let's focus on the front center. Along the center of the splash shield, we have this small tab that we should be able to press up and above our bumper cover and continue on with our three push clips. Got one push clip on the forward corner here. Make our way over here for the same thing. Got our push clip. Line that up with the upper hole. We'll make our way towards the rear center. And now it's time for our mounting bolts. For the rear hardware, we're using our 10mm headed mounting bolts. We'll start them all in and then we can snug them. Snug them up. Skip it, onto this one. Next, we're going to move along the front for our 8mm headed mounting bolts. Now, just as before, we're going to start in all the mounting hardware and then we'll snug it up. Double check to make sure that's properly secured in place. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our front lower splash shield. Continuing on, make your way out into the passenger compartment. Take your vehicle for a road test and listen for any odd noises coming from this area. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.